Have you thought of the sequences of the hexagrams? Talks about the sequence.
Yes, I find it completely fascinating. And inside the Library and Change Circle, there's a book I wrote exploring this, both on a very simple level. Why does this hexagram follow that one? We were just talking about hexagram 36, which is about light injured or not being recognized, being endangered, and so on. And then that's followed by 37, which is people in the home. And the sequence says injury on the outside naturally means turning back towards the home, and so people in the home follows.
Yes.
So there is this sense of taking refuge from the injury. And if you look at the trigrams as well, which is always good, in hexagram 36, the fire is hidden under the earth. It's out of sight, it's damped down. Whereas in 37, the fire is still in the same place. There's that inner light is still glowing, the awareness is still there, but now there is wind or wood on the outside.
Yes.
So this looks a bit like a hearth fire under a roof, and it also looks like the fire that can spread, the light that can spread its influence. How when you have a strong fire going, you can feel the air coming out from it, the draft coming from it.
Yes.
So this is like fire that can spread its influence.
Yes. I get it. The wind can make the fire stronger.
And also the fire creates the wind. Yes. Yeah. So when you receive hexagram 37, it can be helpful to look back and say, maybe I have been in this time of hiding my light, but once I'm in this safe place where my relationships are solid and secure in the family, then it's no longer time to hide my light. This is the refuge. This is where I can grow into myself. It's intriguing on that small scale of individual steps from one hexagram to the next, and that's probably the most regularly helpful in readings, just looking back that one step and saying, where have I been and where am I now, and what does it take to get to where I am now, and so on. But also there are many, many big, beautiful, overarching patterns that you can trace through the sequence as a whole, sometimes over a span of 10 hexagrams, sometimes over a span of over 40 hexagrams. A single explanation for all of it, I haven't found it. Some people think they have, but I'm not convinced. But there are these many, many, many beautiful and intricate hidden patterns, not just in the reflection, in the structure of it, but they're also reflected in the text.
Yes.
The text will actually refer to these connections. It's fascinating.
Oh,